Welcome to today's practice session. We're going to spend 15 minutes on ear training today. So train your ears like a pro. What you want to do is be able to recognize intervals. What are intervals? Intervals are basically notes in the scale, nothing else. So we have notes in the scale C. In the C major scale we have D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Each one of them is called an interval. Why? Because there's a frequency distance from a note to the root note. What is the root note? The first note of the scale. That's the first note of the scale, right? So from there, there's a one note interval. There's a two notes interval. 2 plus half, 2.5 notes interval. This is called the third interval, the fourth interval, the fifth interval, the sixth interval, the seventh interval, and the eighth interval. So the task is to be able to recognize these 8 intervals by their sound. So how do we do that? Let's see. If such a sound is played, you just say first interval. Such a sound is played, you just say second interval. So listen to this, all these intervals now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So in serial order is pretty easy. Now we'll try to check if we can get it by humming. Let's try to hum it a little bit. If you want, you can loop over this part, but for now let's hum it a little bit. First get this note right, okay? A long hum. Now, right? You should be able to hum and you should be able to listen to that sound as well, both at the same time. Then only it's going to work. If you are comfortable, that's good, but you should be able to hear your own voice and you should be able to hear the sound of the instrument when you do this exercise. Either you can do it with the sound of the instrument or you can do it with the video, that's okay, but you should be able to hear it and hear your own voice. That's important. You should be able to hear both. So if I do this, I should be able to hear this coming from the voice as well as coming from the instrument. That's what you want. Now, with each interval being hummed and heard at the same time and matched, now we are going to be trying to change the order so we can test our recognition, right? So we have the recognition now. That's 1. Let's see if that's 2. Yeah. Let's see if this is 3. Right. Now I'm going to change the order. Let's see how it goes. The first should always be a C. Right, coming back there. Which is this? Oh yeah, you can see my finger. It's a third note. Right, the second note. It was the same note, so the first interval. Now I'll not hum. Now let's see how it goes. If you can see this, you know it's the first note. It's good if you can try to hum it. Now I change the order and I just get this out of the frame. If you said 3, you're right. Okay, we'll go further. If not, we'll try again. 2, 3 and 1 again. This is 1. That's a 3. Did you say 2? Then you're right. Okay, let's see, we'll go further. What is this? Let's see which one this is. If you said 1, no. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. That time I played a 5 interval, the 5th interval, right? That's the 5th interval. In this case, it is a C and a G, or the 1st and the 5th note of the scale, of the major scale. Right? That's the 6th one. Sounds like a question mark. I'm almost there, but not yet there. And then, there we are. And suppose we use this. It sounds pretty similar to, sounds like satisfied answer, an answer that leads to a full stop, right? And maybe you can use this as well. It sounds like an answer, yes. However, there could be more to it, right? So generally, first note generally sounds like an answer, or a full stop, or a satisfied, calm presence, or a climax. Okay, let's see. Now we'll try one more. Yeah, we are in progress now, right? That's how it sounds like. What was that? What was that? But where we are now? There we are, right? So we can associate these with questions and answers and words to them. Try to guess those words and try to get the sound of the intervals. Let's see how we can do this now. I'm going to go in random order now. Let's see how it goes. If you said 3, you should be right, because you can also see it on the video. So I'm going to get back out of the frame. And now let's continue with this. If you said 1, you should be good. Let's go further. That's a 2. Right? That was a 2. I'll go one more time. I'll go one more time. If you can hum that. La, la, la. If you can hum that, you're good. That's a 3rd. You go further. I'll try to hum that. You also try to hum that when you get there. Stop. Sounds like a question. What was that? So it's going to be a 4th. 4th interval generally sounds like a question mark. The 2nd and the 4th generally sound like a question mark. The 6th one sounds like a but. Okay, let's see how the 6th one sounds like. But what happened? That's a 6th interval. The major 6th scale. Major scales 6th note interval. Say 6th on this, you're fine. Now let's go one more time in any order of the scale now. I'll repeat this. You said 5, you're good. One more time. And I would say that is 7, no? We are almost there now, but we are not yet there. That's what it sounds like. Now, when we get there, what happens? Hey, There it is. That's the nice spot. That's the 8th interval, right? So to practice this, I would suggest you just go slow. You try it on a major scale as well as a minor scale. If you want to try it on a major scale first, that's there. Let's stick to it and keep going. Probably in one more, maybe in the next video, we should be able to do this in a minor scale. So I'll be posting one video on a daily basis, and you should be able to play along with it and see how you can practice. And if you want, you can just share a video reply, or maybe you can just ask me to review some videos. I'm not able to review all, but let's see, whatever I can do, I'm going to support. But here, leave some comments and see if you got stuck somewhere or if you had any issues, right? That way, I know how to address them. Just try to hum it and play along. First listen, then hum. Okay, I'm humming it along with that because I've been doing it for a while. But if you are doing it not very frequently, or if you're doing it for the first time, I would suggest you listen to that note and hum that same note like this. Right? Now, if in case you're not really comfortable with humming the same note, or if you're not sure if the right note is there, it's okay. Okay, you might be doing something like okay, that's okay. Don't worry about it. Just don't do it in public. Do it alone, do it at home, but do it. The more you do it, you're going to get used to it. You're going to train yourself. Okay, even if it is on the wrong note, it only means that you're not either sure what resonance means, or it's likely that you're not able to hear your own voice along with the guitar at the same time. The more you do that, and you pay attention to the voice and the guitar or whatever instrument at the same time, if you can pay attention to both of them at the same time, very soon you're going to be able to match that note. So if you just listen to this, let's say I pick a note again, somewhere in the scale itself for now. With time, that should come. So to get it even better, hum with the interval, okay, as in the root intervals like this. Try to memorize a specific interval on a day, that's okay, like this. Do that. Even that is fine. And so on. Try to memorize these notes, these intervals. Okay, you should know the sound. So now the real test is when you are supposed to be able to recognize an interval, you should be able to get the right interval in any order. Secondly, if you are able to hum that interval even better, like this, a third interval would sound like la la. Fifth would be like la 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 la. Okay, so first try with your instrument, whatever your instrument is, could be guitar, a violin, a ukulele. Not a flute, because you can't say it along with a flute, right? So that's maybe not what happened. Keyboard, yes, definitely. We'll try out the same thing on the keyboard, maybe on a different day. But we're going to make sure that this exercise is covered. Okay, this is a very, very, very important exercise. I really hope you cover this one. Yeah. Have a great day. Let me know, post your comments, and also reach out to me if there's any issues. Have a great day. Thank you.